Politics, a serious and crucial affair, where educated, sophisticated, and hard-working leaders are elected to take the country towards peace and prosperity. But politics in Pakistan has never been normal. In the past, politics suffered at the hands of corrupt and incompetent politicians who laundered money in their Swiss accounts and erected tall mansions on taxpayers' money. But given our current choices, politics has become a funny matter. Every now and then, we see seriously ill politicians, bragging politicians, confused and immature politicians,
मुझे उस महाज पे मुझे उन सफों में क्या है
forever alone and whining politicians, and the ones who have climbed up the ladder of science.
बारिश आता है तो पानी आता है, जब ज्यादा बारिश आता है तो ज्यादा पानी आता है.
But thanks to the language barriers, these trolls are limited to the boundaries of Pakistan.
Being elect होने के बाद water prices को किस तरह deal करें? I'm not asking about the नदी का.
सर ये क्वेश्चन चेंबर में आप पूछ लें हमसे हम
And those who truly dignify Pakistan are making waves across the globe, recovering dented image of Pakistan through the message of peace and prosperity.